Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chef Nirajan. It's been a while, but I'm excited to be back with a delicious new recipe for you all. Today we are making carrot halwa or Gajar Halwa, a traditional Nepalese dessert that's perfect for every occasion. Now let's start by heating a pan on medium heat, add 200 ml of full cream, 400 ml of milk and a pinch of saffron. Let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour or until it's thickened. Stir it occasionally. While the milk mixture is simmering, take 1 kg of carrot, peel and grate them finely for our Gajar Halwa. And just quick tip while grating the carrot, be careful to avoid any injuries, like grate slowly and gently, keeping our fingers safe. Use the grater guard if you have one to protect your hand. Safety first, please. Next, heat the separate pan and add 2 tablespoons of the ghee. Let the ghee melt and heat up. Once the ghee is hot, add all the grated carrot to the pan. Stir the carrot well to ensure they are coated with the ghee. Cook the carrot on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and to ensure even cooking. This step is crucial to soften the carrot and bring out their natural sweetness. After cooking the carrot for about 10 to 15 minutes, add 200 grams of sugar to pan. Stir well to combine the sugar with the carrot. Continue to cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves and mix thoroughly with the carrots. Same at the time, just shake the milk mixture and you stir it occasionally and make sure it's getting thick. Once the sugar has fully dissolved and combined with the carrot, it's time to add milk mixture. Carefully pour the milk and cream mixture into the pan with the carrot. Stir everything together well. Continue to cook on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir it occasionally. This step is very crucial because the mixture can easily burn if not washed carefully. Keep an eye on it and stir frequently to ensure it cooks evenly and thickened properly. This patience and attention to detail will make all the difference in achieving a rich and creamy carrot halwa. After the mixture has thicked and cooked well, it's time to add some roasted nut. Take a handful of roasted pistachios, cashew nut and raisins, add them to the pan and stir well to combine. These nuts add wonderful crunch and enhance the flavor of our carrot halwa. After adding the roasted nuts, gently stir everything together, then cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. This allows the flavor of the nuts to blend fully and help achieve a soft, creamy texture for the carrot halwa. After this time, your delicious carrot halwa will be ready to serve. This carrot halwa is not only delicious and beautiful texture but also a healthy treat that's perfect for every occasion. It's the kind of food that makes every moment a little sweeter. Enjoy this delightful dessert and let it lift your mood. Thank you for joining me in making this delightful carrot halwa. I hope this recipe adds a touch of sweetness to your day. Try it at your home and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Chef Nirajan for more exciting recipes and culinary tips. Stay tuned up for more delicious content and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.